Ready? Start. The miscellaneous petition is disposed of. Stay petition also stands disposed of. Office is directed to comply with the order dated 24/9/2019 passed by this court. List on 18/11/2019 as trade. Till then, interim order, if any, shall remain in currency. This instant criminal petition has been filed by the petitioners for quashing of criminal proceedings pending in the Court of Learned Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Number 5, Jodhpur Metropolitan, in connection with CR regular case number 281 2018 arising out of FIR number 100 2015 of PS Mathania, Jodhpur for offence under section 498A IPC on the basis of compromise arrived at between the parties. It is submitted by learned counsel for the parties that the petitioner number 2 and respondent number 2 complainant are husband and wife, and they have entered into a compromise in the spirit of Lok Adalat. Therefore, it is prayed that the criminal proceedings against the petitioner may be quashed. Having considered the facts and circumstances of the case, since the petitioners and complainant have arrived at compromise and settled their dispute, and in the view of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of B.S. Joshi versus State of Haryana, reported in 2003 for SCC P675, in which it has been held that the proceedings under section 498A IPC can be quashed because it is the matrimonial matter. The criminal proceedings for offence under section 498A are liable to be quashed. Accordingly, the present miscellaneous petition is allowed, and the criminal proceedings pending in the Court of Learned Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Number 5, Jodhpur Metropolitan, in connection with CR regular case number 281 2018 arising out of FIR number 100 2015 of PS Mathania, Jodhpur for offence under section 498A IPC are quashed on the basis of compromise arrived at between the parties. The instant miscellaneous petitioner under section 482 CRPC has been filed by the petitioner for quashing of FIR number 20 2019 Police Station Shiv District Baumar for offences under section 420, 467, 468 and 471 IPC. After hearing learned counsel for the petitioner and taking into consideration the material available on record, I am not inclined to quash the FIR. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to file representation along with relevant documents before the concerned investigating officer within a period of 15 days. The investigating officer shall take up all the facts as well as representation, if any, filed on behalf of the petitioner and complete the investigation by considering them strictly in accordance with law within a period of 1 month from the date of filing of the representation. The instant miscellaneous petition filed by the petitioner is disposed of accordingly. Stay petition is also disposed of. learned public prosecutor has submitted a report received from the concerned police station in which it has been mentioned that after thorough investigation, police is going to file final report in this case. In view of above, the present miscellaneous petition has become infructuous and dismissed as such. Stay application also dismissed. The instant miscellaneous petition under section 482 CRPC has been filed by the petitioner complainant seeking fair investigation in connection with FIR number 0117-2019 date 04/04/2019 registered at police station Gogunda district Udaipur for offence under section 4 of the Rajasthan Prevention of Witch Hunting Act 2015. Learned public prosecutor has submitted a report dated 24/10/2019 received from the concerned police station stating therein that after thorough investigation, the police is going to file a final report in this case. Therefore, the present miscellaneous petition has become infructuous. The report submitted by the learned public prosecutor is taken on record. In the aforesaid circumstances, the criminal miscellaneous petition is dismissed as having become infructuous. Learned counsel for the petitioner does not want to press this criminal revision petition. Hence, the instant criminal revision petition filed by the petitioner is hereby dismissed as not pressed. Stay petition is also decided accordingly. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner juvenile through his natural guardian as well as learned public prosecutor and counsel for the complainant. The allegation against the petitioner is of offence under sections 366A, 3762I, 376D of IPC and section 5G6 POCSO Act section 3, 1, 2V, SC or ST Prevention of Atrocity Act and section 67, 67A, 67B IT Act. The bail application filed by the petitioner under section 12 of the Act of 2015 before Principal Magistrate Juvenile Justice Board Churu was rejected while order dated 24/7/2019. Being aggrieved by the said order, an appeal was filed by the petitioner before the learned special judge POCSO Act cases Churu and the same has been dismissed by learned appellate court while impugned order dated 30/7/2019. Being aggrieved of the orders dated 24/7/2019 and 30/7/2019 passed by the court below, the petitioner has preferred this revision petition before this court. Source is 3P Legal rhc and exercise number is 36. Words are 790 and speed is 98.